Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to either add it here or create a new account, so you will be able to enter the Play Store and download something, and then simply tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and we have to simply tap on this button to check the updates which are available to download. So of course, if you want, you can mark all of those apps, so you will update all of them, or simply find 2 or 3 different apps and mark them. So let me pick maybe Google Chrome and Google Maps, and after that simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you don't really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn off the Google Play Store and do anything you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.